Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Choose to Sparkle with Shatabdi. I'm Shatabdi and today I'm gonna review the two product which is very useful for bridal makeup. If you are a new bride or if you're going to marry soon or become a bride soon, you need this type of makeup related this product which is very helpful to you at your wedding. So let's get started. So I have one product that is Blue Heaven Pan Stick. This is Pan Stick Foundation, and another I have Care Shades Aroma Therapies Pan Stick Foundation. So let's get started about the comparison video. These Pan Stick makeup or foundation is very helpful during the bridal makeup. Whoever is going to marry or become a bride soon, uh, they can use this makeup or many people have a foundation allergy who don't have very much time on applying foundation, or who don't like applying foundation, or who don't actually very much allergic to applying foundation, any type of foundation. But this will help them a lot because this is a pan stick foundation which is not a runny or liquid foundation. This is a foundation which is in a stick form, and its consistency is very much different from the liquid foundation or the foundation we um, see usually. So first talk about this Blue Heaven Pan Stick Foundation. This Blue Heaven Pan Stick Foundation is comes in a cardboard box like this. It has a nice and cute box, which is very hard cardboard box, and the price of this foundation is 95 to 100 rupees maximum, because this is not so costly, and this is already waterproof makeup. This is waterproof. Here it's written makeup stick waterproof, 100% waterproof. So you're getting at rupees 100, you're getting 100% waterproof makeup. So this is amazing by this. And it is also written it's made in India. It's an Indian product, and the packaging, the shelf life of the packaging is 3 years. And there's nothing much in the packaging, but there is an ingredients list over here. You can see when you buy this product, you can get to see it in a cardboard box. So it's also written how it is to apply. So let's get started with the let's see what's inside the packaging. So this is what comes from the cardboard box, and it is in a cylindrical shape of a container. It's written makeup concealer 100% waterproof, and it's a stick form. So nothing much it's written over here, and the shade is 03 natural, which is my shade. So there are 2 to 4 shades available in the market, so you can see whatever your shade is. So now let's open it. This is a lid, and this is the main product. I hope you can see it. Yes, this is the main product, and this is 03 natural. It's of a pinkish undertone. There is a rotation lock over here, which if you rotate it, it will go up, and the main product will come out and it's ready to apply. So like the way we apply lipstick, it's in a stick form. The way that way this foundation actually is. So if you just turn it, it will come up. The more you turn it, the more product will come up. So I don't think this much will need it. So let's rotate it slight, and we need slight. Now let's see. This is in a creamy texture. The texture of the foundation is very creamy, you can see, and the coverage is medium to high coverage. You have to build the coverage. The more you build it, the more coverage it will give, but it's not very light coverage. It's not light coverage, medium to high coverage. So in at 100 rupees you are getting medium to high coverage full waterproof foundation, that is also in a stick form, which is very good for oily skin, sensitive skin, because it doesn't have any oil, and it is very very easy to glide on your skin, like I am gliding right now, and it is easy to blend also. It's blending pretty easily. See how it's blended. The more you blend it, the more it will get smoother. The texture of the skin, like before I have normal skin, now after applying, yeah, my skin gets more soft and smooth, like there's no bump and all, like it's like of a natural skin, but the tone is like a pinkish beige kind of tone. It's of natural, so you can see now the difference. You have to blend it well, otherwise it will like absorb on your skin. The more I'm creating the shade, the more I'm applying, the more coverage it is giving. Like, see, very easy and very convenient to use it. So this is the thing. It's pretty. It's a time saver foundation. I also say, because whenever you apply on your skin, it will give maximum. You will need 2 to 3 minutes to blend. It blends easily. Like not like the liquid foundation, because you have to like pat it out with your brush or applicators, whatever you have. It doesn't need that thing. So only just wet sponge or beauty blender and just go for this. Directly apply on your skin, and this is the Blue Heaven one. Now I'll show Kiehl's Aromatherapy Pan Stick. This is also the same stick form foundation. Now this is the packaging, and this is the old version. I don't have the new version yet, but I will have that soon. New version of the packaging is in black color. I have seen it, but I have this old version. But the product quality and whatever the quality they are giving the product, those are same. So let's see the packaging here. This is the aroma, and this is aromatic pan stick, they are written. And all everyone knows who is Kiehl's. She's the aromatist, and she invented aromatherapy in India and in Bengal also. So she launches this pan stick many years ago, like 10 to 12 years ago, and I have this pan stick now. I didn't have that black one. So this is the packaging. It's of a purple color box, like cardboard box. The cardboard box is very much like nice cardboard box. It's not so flimsy. It's written here the direction, key ingredients, and the manufactured places or distribution, etc. And here it's written the price. Price of this is bit costly. The price of this pan stick is 300 rupees, and the shelf life is of 3 years. So I have this A. They don't have any particular shade name. They just have A, B, C, like that. So I have A, that is the natural shade of according to my skin, like a little bit of yellowish tone. So this is the main product. This is the cylindrical type of same container, but the color is a bit different. And here is written everything, like whatever is written in a cardboard box, like cardboard box here. So let's just open it, and the lid is different. The lid is cylindrical one. You have to open it by rotating it. Now the same of a rotating lock over here. See, the more you rotate, the more product will come up. And this Kiehl's pan stick, the shade is little bit of yellowish tone, because I personally choose whatever the foundation I choose a little bit of yellowish tone, because I don't have pink undertone. This is a perfect skin tone shade of my skin. So I got a perfect shade in Kiehl's Aromatherapy, like pan stick, not in a Blue Heaven. My shade is not there in a Blue Heaven. So this is a particular perfect shade, I must say. So the more you rotate, the more product will come out, and this is the same way you have to apply it. Let's just see. I've cleaned my hands. Now let's just see the tone. little bit of yellowish tone is there because this is my perfect skin tone, and it blends well, very well, and it gives nice coverage, medium to high coverage, but it gives after applying one swatch you will get a high coverage, like full coverage. This is actually a full coverage pan stick. See, I've applied only once, it is giving me full coverage and it slides very easily. Smell is little bit hard smell, it's not soft, and Blue Heaven smell is little bit floral type. So this is the thing. So you can see, and after applying this foundation, if you apply compact powder, you will see your skin looks very much soft and bright. So these pan sticks foundation, I must say, it's very helpful for bridal makeup. Whoever is going to be a bride, she can use this makeup or this makeup according to her skin type. I'm not saying which is better or which is good and all, because this company is different and this company is different. They manufactures differently and different ingredients are there. So but yeah, feels difference. If we apply on our skin, it feels little bit different. So I'm within these two, I must go for this one because it gives me full coverage in a one swatch, and it needs to apply 2 to 3 swatches. So I will go for Cachet's Aromatherapy. The price is a little bit costlier than this, but if you are looking for reasonable makeup, very reasonable at a reasonable price, you must go for this because this is also very nice. Blue Heaven company, everyone knows very well, very nice, and made in India brand. This is also made in India brand, but if anyone is searching for reasonable price pan stick, she can go for this one. So this is all for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if it is helpful to you, please subscribe, like and share. So till then, bye.